Hey guys, so today we will be discussing a new extension. This extension is Multi Search Pro. So this particular extension is used to basically search about a particular thing across several platforms like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, YouTube, Amazon into different tabs. So basically we can go and select open in new tab. If we do for open in background, then it might not be that good, but open in new tab will be for all the tabs. And what we can do is that we can select a particular text, or we can go back and we can basically select select a text. Basically that's what I want to do, any text, yeah, and then right click on it, and then we can basically either copy this particular thing and copy it. We can go here and we can, yeah, it's already copied, so we can search across several engines, and all those particular websites, and will open in different. It is in looking for in Google, it is in everything. So it will open into different site, and it will, we can search about it into Amazon. We can look into Wikipedia. So it will search into different platform in just one click. So that is a very special feature for this particular website. And so this is also we can do. So we can right click and select something. We can right click, and here it comes search for community and project across multiple, and here we can go and select, and it will again open this particular thing into across several platforms, several things. So I hope you understood how good it is. And please, my request is to please, as soon as it comes to Chrome Store, please kindly install it and use it. Thanks.